Hey everyone! Welcome back to Review Scout, the channel where we dig deep into tools, strategies, and ideas that can actually make a difference for your online growth. If you've ever wondered why some people seem to effortlessly grow an audience while you're stuck trying to get even a handful of people to notice your posts, then this review is going to hit home. Because today, we're talking about a different way to grow, one that doesn't involve spending hours creating more content, chasing trends, or praying the algorithm picks you. Instead, it's about something far more strategic and, frankly, easier to sustain, replying better. And the tool we're diving into today is called BuzzRep. Let's set the scene. You just finished crafting a post for your social media. You've thought it through, you've made sure it's clear, maybe even added a personal story to make it relatable. You press publish and nothing. A couple likes from the same people who always engage, maybe a short comment or two, and that's it. The excitement you felt when you hit post starts to fade. You check your notifications again and again, hoping for a spark, but the silence is loud. That self-doubt starts creeping in. Maybe you're not cut out for this. Maybe you just don't get how to play the game. Here's the thing. It's not that you're doing something wrong. It's that the game is set up in a way that favors people who already have visibility. Social media isn't necessarily broken, but it is rigged in a sense. The algorithm doesn't reward hard work. It rewards reach. And without reach, even the best post can disappear before anyone sees it. You can do everything right, post every day, follow the formatting tips, copy the trending hooks, but still no traction. That's why BuzzRep is so interesting. It's based on the realization that you don't have to post more to grow. You just have to join conversations that are already happening and already attracting attention. Instead of trying to create an audience from scratch, you step into someone else's audience and add value there. The creator of BuzzRep discovered that by leaving thoughtful, funny, insightful, or helpful replies on high traction posts, people started noticing, clicking through to the profile and following. Engagement started to snowball, not because of posting more, but because of replying better. But of course, there's a catch. Replying like that, in a way that stands out, sounds like you, and is consistent, takes time and mental energy. You have to find the right posts, think about what to say, and make sure it aligns with your tone. Doing that every day is exhausting, and most people give up before they see results. That's the gap BuzzRep fills. BuzzRep is an AI-powered Chrome extension built to help you scale that reply-first approach without the burnout. It works across Facebook, LinkedIn, and X, three of the biggest platforms for professional and personal growth. When you find a post you want to engage with, BuzzRep analyzes a conversation, figures out the context, and generates a reply that's natural, smart, and aligned with your voice. You can pick from built-in tones like friendly, expert, sarcastic, warm, or create a custom tone that matches your brand perfectly. You get your reply in seconds, tweak if you like, and hit send. It's like having a personal copywriter for every interaction. The impact is huge. You can reply 10 times faster without sounding robotic. You can show up consistently without draining yourself. And you can start getting visibility even if you have 0 followers right now. That's because the magic of this approach is in showing up where the attention already is. BuzzRep just makes that process painless. And it's not just a tool. When you grab BuzzRep, you also get their Buzz Factor strategy guide. This is a step-by-step playbook that shows you exactly how to apply the reply-first method. You'll learn how to build an audience without posting more. The 5 reply styles that instantly make you stand out, a simple 20-minute daily ritual that compounds over time, and platform-specific tips. So you know exactly how to win on X, Facebook, and LinkedIn without guessing. It's like getting the blueprint and the power tools in one package. The deal they're offering right now is almost too good to ignore. You can get BuzzRep and the Buzz Factor Guide for a one-time payment of $27. That's not a subscription, not a trial, it's lifetime access. The normal price is $197, so you're saving 86%. But there's a catch. It's an early access deal. Once they hit their user limit, the lifetime option disappears, and it switches to a monthly subscription. So if you want in, now's the time. What I like most is that this isn't just about growing numbers. It's about protecting your energy. That nagging feeling of, I should be replying more, goes away because BuzzRep takes care of the hardest part for you. You still get to be authentic, but you're not burning out trying to think of something clever every time. Engaging becomes easy, even enjoyable again. This is what modern growth really looks like. Not shouting louder than everyone else, but showing up smarter. Not try to game the algorithm with endless posts, but joining the right conversations with the right words. BuzzRep makes it possible to do that at scale, without sacrificing your voice or your sanity. If you've been feeling invisible online, if you've been stuck in that cycle of post-refresh disappointment, or if you just want a more sustainable way to grow your presence, BuzzRep is worth a serious look. I'll leave the link in the description so you can check it out for yourself and see if the lifetime deal is still available. That's it for today's review here on the Review Scout. Remember, growth isn't just about creating more, it's about contributing better. And BuzzRep might just be the easiest way to make that shift. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.